Hello guys, in this video we're going to be looking at logarithms, just solving some basic problems using logarithms. So let's start off with an example like this. Log to the base x of 49 is equal to 2. So first of all, we use our exercise from rearranging from logarithms to exponentials, and we can see that to get from x to 49 we must raise x to the power of 2. Okay, so what we're doing is we're rearranging this to say x to the power of 2 is equal to 49. Okay, x squared is equal to 49, so therefore x is going to be equal to 7. Let me also just note that for all of these questions, our x is going to be strictly greater than 0. Okay, so for those of you who are wondering, x squared equals 49, x can either be 7 or minus 7, it's only going to be 7 because for all of our examples, x is going to be greater than 0. Okay, so let's look at our next problem, and that's going to be log to the base x of 8 is equal to 3. Okay, again, x is greater than 0. So using our rearrangement process, x is our base. To get from x to 8, we raise x to the power of 3, which gives us 8. So we can say x to the power of 3 equals 8. Okay, and then x is going to be equal to the cube root of 8, so x is going to be equal to 2. Okay, moving on, we have log to the base x of 3 equals a half. Log to the base x of 3 equals a half. So again, log to the base x of 3 equals a half. We have x to the power of a half is equal to 3. Two ways of going about this. Either you can know that a half is the same thing, raising to the power of a half is the same thing as square rooting, or we can just say that x is equal to, again you can use your calculator for this, x is equal to the half root of 3, which is going to be equal to 9. That's one way of doing it. Let me just show you another way. So in this case, x to the power of a half is the same thing as the square root of x, which equals 3. So therefore, x is going to be equal to 3 squared, which is going to be 9. Okay. And now we'll look at this example. So we see x log to the base x of 10,000 is equal to 4. So have a go at this one. Just pause the video and have a go. Again, you get the greatest benefit from actually pausing and having a go before looking at how I do it. Okay, so using what we know, x is our base. To get from x to 10,000, we raise x to the power of 4. So we get x to the power of 4 is equal to 10,000. Okay? And then, quite simply now, we take the fourth root of 10,000. So x is going to be equal to the fourth root of 10,000. And that's going to be equal to 10. Now we have one final example, and that's going to be this. Log to the base x of 9 equals a quarter. So again, pause and have a go. Okay, so to get from x to 9, we raise x to the power of a quarter, which gives us 9. So we say that x to the power of a quarter is going to be equal to 9. And then from here, two ways of doing it. I'll show you both ways. So we can say that x is going to be a quarter root of 9. Okay, the quarter root of 9, which is going to be equal to, using your calculator, 6,561. Again, that's one way of doing it. Let me show you the other way. So x to the power of a quarter means the fourth root of x, and that's equal to 9. Okay, and on that basis, x is therefore going to be equal to 9 to the power of 4. Okay, and 9 to the power of 4 is going to be 6,561. And that's it.